I would share this with you. I'm making this, I started it yesterday. I made the pattern on my silhouette, and I took it to the garage and cut the middle out of it, and I've just put some brown paint on it. Now I'm going to put the Waverly plaster on it, plaster color, and then I'll distress it, and I'll put probably Waverly on the chicken also, and then do a little, cut out a little seam from my silhouette and put on the chicken. My niece had sent this idea to me from, I guess she saw it Dollar Tree. No, not Dollar Tree, Dollar General. But my Dollar General, there's 3 of them I can go to, and it seems like there's stuff in there, and my sister gets some cute stuff in there, but every time I go, it's all picked over and mostly gone, because I live out in the middle of the country, and I don't go in too often. So I just make my own stuff. So anyways, I'm going to do this, and I have real chicken wire outside, but it's cold and rainy, so I'm not going out there to get it. But I did have this here from, I got it a long time ago from Hobby Lobby, and I'll use it. I'm one-handed doing this. And anyways, I'll put that there, and I'll do my chicken with the seam on it, and I'll have that to go in my kitchen. I think it'll turn out, I think it's going to turn out real cute. So when I get finished, I'll come back and I'll show you. Okay, I'm going to distress the cutting board itself, and I've decided to just go around my chicken with black ink to give it some depth, and I thought I would show you doing that. Real easy. And that's what I'm going to do to my chicken. I think it makes it look a lot cuter than just being white. Oh, I'm going to have to touch that up because I have black ink on my hand. No biggie though, I can get that. Alright, there's how I'm doing the chicken. And now I'm going to distress this, take some samples. Okay, I'm cutting my design out, and I have stapled the chicken wire to the back of the cutting board that I cut out, and have my chicken ready. And I'm going to do the rest and put it together. Well, I got it finished, and I have it sitting on my kitchen cabinet, and I decided to fix some little stuff up around here. And I put Bless Our Farm on it, and I think it turned out really cute. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next one.